Welcome to another OpenRaven product tour. Today, we're going to showcase how OpenRaven provides automated cloud asset inventories down to specific instances of sensitive data, making answers to historically tough questions like, where is my data? What type of data is it? And how is it protected? Fast and easy. Among the many challenges we solve are ease of use. We sought to build a data platform that security teams can easily and quickly operationalize, and we've done that in a few ways. First, being cloud native, there is no deployment. Simply connect OpenRaven using a read-only AWS account or via Terraform. OpenRaven is like Google Maps for your data, using serverless technology to automate discovery and mapping of native and non-native resources and deep S3 data classification to easily see across your entire organization. Discovered resources and their attributes are shown on the map, allowing teams to immediately interact with and explore their environment. For instance, we can see VPC peering relationships between regions. We can also trace back access to security groups. We can use additional filters to highlight resources by location, asset type, configuration, presence of sensitive data, or backup status. We can even select specific resources to view information about them, like the presence of sensitive data types like we see here. Developer secrets, Luxembourg passport numbers, and VIN numbers all exist on this bucket. Within a couple of hours, teams will have restored visibility across their cloud and can use the asset list for reporting purposes. The asset list includes filters for various attributes by resource type, public accessibility, trace back to security groups, VPC peering relationships, encryption status, backup status, and more. Next comes adding data classification, which we've designed and built to be easy to use, flexible, accurate, and all with predictable costs. To do that, we've pre-built over 150 data classes and arranged them into easily managed data collections. Users are free to customize their own collections by choosing from any of our default classes and moving them in or out of a collection. Or they can create their own and mix and match as they see fit. Now that we have our collections ready, it's time to find the data. Configuring a classification scan is as easy as selecting a schedule, a data collection to be identified, using additional exclusion filters by name or type, and selecting a target area to be scanned, which can be done by account, region, or specific configuration. Here, we're scanning for sensitive data and publicly accessible buckets. As the scans run, data found becomes visible both on the map and especially the data catalog. The data catalog puts you just clicks away from answering commonly difficult questions like, where do we have personal data and in which files do we find it? By clicking through the personal data collection, we can see such instances by class, and that this data is spread over numerous buckets, listed here. Selecting a bucket then shows the relevant objects within that bucket, which can be further investigated to see the locations of the findings with redacted previews. This makes data-specific reports, investigations, or resolutions fast and easy. For more specific, in-depth investigation, we've built in Splunk search and reporting so users can incorporate asset details from OpenRaven with powerful SPL queries to gain insights and trends about their data and AWS footprint. This can include policy violations or usage. Visual mapping to asset lists and data catalogs to built-in Splunk-based search and reporting, OpenRaven makes quick work of previously time-consuming audits, reports, and interviews.